Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making one of the most famous natural skincare treatments in Asia Rice Water Toner. This simple ingredient is known for brightening skin, reducing dark spots, and giving a natural glow. Best of all, it's easy to make at home. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose your rice. Start by taking any type of white rice or jasmine rice. You don't need anything special. Even inexpensive rice works perfectly for skincare because the nutrients are inside the grain itself. Step 2. Rinse the rice. Place the rice in a bowl and give it a quick rinse to remove dust or impurities. This doesn't remove nutrients, just cleans the surface so your toner is fresh and pure. Step 3. Extract the rice water. Add clean water to the bowl and gently swirl the rice with your fingers. As you move the rice, the water will turn milky white. This is the good part. This cloudy water is full of vitamins and minerals that help brighten and soften your skin. Step 4. Strain and store. Pour the rice water into a clean glass bottle or container. You can store it in the fridge for up to 1 week. Cooling the toner gives it an even more refreshing effect when you use it on your skin. Step 5. Apply to your skin to use it. Soak a cotton pad in the rice water and gently sweep it across your face and neck. The toner helps balance your skin, tighten pores, and give a natural glowing look. You can use this every morning or night after cleansing. Step 6. Enjoy the results. With consistent use, rice water can help fade dark spots, brighten your complexion, and smooth your skin texture. It's a gentle, natural way to care for your skin without spending a lot of money. Thank you for watching. If you love natural DIY skincare like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more recipes and beauty tips.